Hello and welcome to the channel. On today's service light episode, we're going to reset the oil service light in a 2015 BMW 328D. That's the diesel version. Got the key inside the interior. Go ahead and push the start stop button on the steering column one time to power on the vehicle. Next, we're going to push and hold the button on the left of the instrument cluster. You'll see the trip meter zero out and then return, and then that'll bring you up to the service menu. Using this button, this is how you would cycle through the services that you're gonna, whichever one you performed. So in this case, we're doing the oil service. So let go of the button on the service that you wanna reset. Push and hold the button on that service. You'll see the check mark or the question mark pop up. Let go, and then push and hold again. And it'll say reset in progress, and you can let go whenever it says reset in progress. It says reset successful, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful. Let us know if you need anything else, and we'll do our best to get it out to you. See you on the next one.